So let's talk about Language I/O for a minute while they're setting up. Language I/O's real-time, business-accurate translation technology empowers companies to communicate internally and externally in any language. By plugging directly into tools like Salesforce, Language I/O quickly generates accurate, brand-specific translations of user-generated content, such as jargon, slang, abbreviations, and even misspellings. Its zero-trace and AI-enabled platform enables seamless, multilingual communication over live chat, email, chatbots, social messaging, and more.
Go. Hello, Grace and I are going to demo a really common customer support scenario that we see at Language I/O. In this example, we have a French customer of DraftKings, an online betting platform, and he wants to place a side bet on a Colorado Avalanche game and is seeking chat support. The problem with chats, as a lot of us know, they're full of jargon and slang and nicknames and things that are really tough to translate. In this first scenario, we're going to run it through the standard Salesforce workflow. Our French customer entered a French chat. It's displayed for our English-speaking support agent. She doesn't speak French, so she's going to cut and paste the French chat, which is not French. What's going on here? Oh, here we go. This is the right tab, the tab we were supposed to. She's going to cut and paste the French chat into Google to see a translation. And here's how Google translates this chat. I want to bet on the Wild Avalanche game tomorrow. The bet is that the Moose will throw away the gloves with the Captain Wild and be thrown into the ashtray. Now, this is a very dramatic and not very helpful translation because there were several problems with this chat. First, our French customer is using a nickname for an Avalanche player, the Moose. He's also using a bunch of French-Canadian hockey slang, and Google is just translating it literally. It's not an inaccurate translation. The problem is that Google doesn't have the context to provide a helpful translation. Now we're going to run the scenario again, this time using the Language I/O chat translation app for Salesforce. Our French customer requests chat support. We automatically display a French greeting. He enters the same French chat. It's passed through Language I/O, and this time Language I/O provides the translation. And here's how it goes, displayed automatically in English for the agent. I want to bet on the Minnesota Wild Colorado Avalanche game tomorrow. The bet is that Mikko Rantanen will fight with the captain of the Minnesota Wild and be thrown into the penalty box. This is a much more helpful translation because Language I/O has that missing context. We know that whenever we're translating DraftKings content, the Moose refers to Mikko Rantanen, Colorado Avalanche player. We knew that cendrier is French-Canadian slang for the penalty box. We know that throwing down gloves is slang for fighting, and that the Wild in this context refers to the Minnesota Wild, not their crazy captain. In a nutshell, we can't assume that support agents are familiar with every nickname and piece of slang that exists. For this reason, it's critical that companies providing multilingual customer support use Language I/O or something like it so that your support agents actually understand their customers and can respond helpfully and quickly. Thank you.